I'd like to welcome Vonne Williams, a tax strategist. Vonne is a business and money coach, as well as a tax strategist and the CEO of Tax Bar Services. Tax Bar Services can be found online at taxbarservices.com or by email at info@taxbarservices.com. Vonne, thank you so much for joining this course. Our students are really going to be appreciating this information, and I know I've appreciated speaking with you. So thank you for joining us.
Pleasure's all mine. I can't wait.
Okay, terrific. So I have two very important questions for you, Vonne. The first one is, how can a therapist that owns their own private practice pay their taxes ahead of time?
So the quickest and easiest way to do that is to file a 1040 ES or 1040 estimated with the IRS, and then whatever their state estimated tax form is. So you can do it online. You can also do it through your accounting software if your accounting software does that. So just be aware of when the estimated taxes are due. And on the irs.gov website, you can file your estimated taxes on the website. And in New York, it's very, very clear how you can do it here in New York.
Okay, terrific. That's wonderful, Vonne.
Yes.
So another question I have is, so what does a therapist need to think about when they're planning for retirement, especially if the bulk of their income and their time has been working in their own private practice? How can they plan for retirement?
So it depends on what they want. Now, as a money coach, I'm constantly telling people, how is it that you want to live when you retire, if you retire? Or what, even if you don't retire, what do you want those years to look like? So I say set up, a self-employed IRA. You can get that through, Mass Mutual, New York Life, Primerica, or find you somebody who deals life insurance, and usually they can point you in some direction. I have somebody that I work with personally, and he has set up, lots and lots of retirement IRAs for especially those of us who are self-employed or who work for ourselves, or who have small businesses, because there's layers and there's tiers. And again, it depends on how you want your life to look. I would look at other investments outside of what's traditionally safe, like the SEP IRAs and the mutual funds, and you set up an IRA yourself at your bank. You can do that, absolutely. But there's a cap on how much you can put in it. And again, look at other investments like real estate, like other businesses, okay, like cryptocurrency or stock, if you will. And you can do that in a way that it's not taxing on your financial situation now, that you will have some growth, other than just putting it all in a traditional savings account. So there's a lot of different ways that this can happen. And just get creative and see what your goal is in mind and when you want to stop working. Because I know I probably will never stop working, but I know that I'm going to slow it down, and I know what I want my life to look like at a certain point when I decide to slow down, if you will.
Right. Got it. Terrific. Yeah. So I'm thinking, because, people who go into mental health usually don't have any sort of information around accounting, taxes, retirement planning, that sort of stuff. I guess setting up a consultation with you, with your company, would probably be the best first step. And then we can kind of figure it out from there.
That's your best first step, is to, yes, make an appointment with me, or, find the accountant that you like. I would say also to find an accountant that specializes in entrepreneurs or small businesses or gig workers or independent contractors, if you will, because we have a different language that we use, such that you get it. We know exactly what you're going through. We know exactly what you can deduct, what you can't deduct. And again, we have a way of setting you up such that your business will continue to thrive. I know a lot of businesses go out of business within 3 years. We don't want that. So we'll help you set your business up such that you're financially secure and your business can continue, and support you the rest of your life.
Terrific. Okay, thank you so much, Vonne. This has been incredibly helpful today. Again, Vonne Williams, a tax strategist and business and money coach, CEO of Tax Bar Services. Your website is taxbarservices.com, and people can reach you at info@taxbarservices. Thank you so much for your time today, Vonne. This is invaluable. So thank you.
Bless you. Thank you so much. I'm humbled and grateful that you even asked me to come. Thank you again. My pleasure.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.